Hey guys, we're back. Today is day 5. We match, right? 5. Today is day 5 of the giveaway, and the winner for day 5 is Doc Firewoman Deborah. Yay, Deborah! Deborah's a good friend of mine via Ravelry and YouTube. So Deborah, when I pulled your name from the random number generator, I was like, oh my gosh, you won. So that was post number 172. So Deborah, you will be receiving, oops, 2 skeins of Auden wools, and it's a kind of a pale light gray tonal color. So these are going to be in DK weight, and it is 50% alpaca, 30% alpaca, 30% merino wool, and 20% nylon. And these are 236 yards a piece. So you should be able to make something awesome with that.
Is in the animal alpaca?
Yes, it's in the animal alpaca.
Oh.
He still has so much to learn. Okay, and then you will receive a little small sample of eucalyptus. This is the lavender wash, which was donated by Hypnotic Yarn as well. And yep, everybody's getting the 6 count of the crochet needles. So there is yours. And last but not least, it's going to be your project bag, which says, Jordan,
strive for progress, not perfection. And you're also, I'm going to throw in some bulb stitch holders. No, not stitch holders. Markers.
Yeah, stitch markers. Thank you. And a couple of little charms that were donated by my Secret Santa. So I hope you enjoy those, Deborah. Get in contact with me via Ravelry, and I will get those sent out to you in the mail. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.